Okay, I'm headed upstairs. Let's see what I have to deal with. This is not going to be good. It's embarrassing. This is how I left my workroom last night. See all that crap on the floor? Oh my god. Okay, I don't think I've shown you my workroom. It's a small bedroom. There's a creak in the floor, so you'll hear this. Yep, that's my floor. Okay, I've got storage. I've got stuff along this shelf along the top. This table serves as lots of things. I put a bigger piece on it to photograph flat lays. I can put my mannequins here, my lights. I've got my mannequins over here. I slide them over. I've got 3 lights. I can turn some more lights on in here. I've got these, you know, just to help because the lighting's so bad in here. I've got a storage closet. You can't really see past the light there, but it's a mess in here. I've got crap under here. I was cleaning shoes. I've thrown shoes just all along the floor. I need to photograph these. These were photographed last night and listed. I need to put them in my inventory, which is over there in those bags, and I just threw that bag on top of the bag it belongs in. This is my life. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Those need to be inventoried. That needs to be inventoried. These bags have clothes. I have got to figure out what to do with all these things. Some of it is not going to be listed and donated. I need to photograph that quilt today. What am I going to do today? Well, honestly, first thing I'm going to do is pull a couple orders. Sales are sucky, but I know they're kind of sucky for a lot of you. I think I have 3. I think actually I only have 2 to send out because one hasn't been paid for yet, but I'm going to pull it anyway in hopes that they pay. I'm working from home as normal, but so is everyone else. My husband's working in my office. I couldn't even get in my office yesterday. He had meetings on Zoom all day. That threw me off. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bitchy about it. Today, I'm gonna do my shipping in there quickly and try not to disturb him because he's in Zoom meetings again most of the day. Get my shipping out, and I need to clean up this office, so let's see if I can do it. Oh, this is also another mess I need to kind of deal with. It's all unlisted on here. Those 2 shelves. This shelf here is just my personal crap. There's nothing to be listed. And then down there, I need to list those items or donate or throw away, whatever. It's just places I put some random stuff. Everything's so random in my life. The life of random. So, pull the orders. That's the first thing I should do. This record player I'm gonna get cleaned up and tested today. A friend gave me 2 items the other day. So reach out to your friends right now if you don't have stuff to list. I do have some things to list, but this was really nice of him. Admiral Playmate 2 record player. It's filthy. He had this when he was a kid. Open. I know he said it needs a new needle. I don't know the value. It's not an easy thing to comp. My friend Tim helped me look it up, and there's very little comps, but I'm going to list it anyway, and I'll list it to sell fast because, well, does anything sell fast right now? I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to try. He also gave me this vintage lava lamp that's from the 70s. Me doing this video is about keeping me sane at this moment because the world's weird and my mind is weird right now. So I'm going to use this GoPro that I'm talking to right now, you, as something that keeps me sane. Let's see if it can happen. I hope so. Ooh, holy crap. It can happen. I can stay sane one day at a time. All right, I'm going to pull the order. I'm going to pull the orders. Okay, first thing, bags. For some reason, I don't know why, I can't figure this out, guys, at all, but pink IKEA bags are How should we do this Kevin style? Hi, Kevin. Pink IKEA bags are what's selling for me right now. I've had like 4 or 5 orders of 2 this week. Go figure. I don't know. What else? I've got Adidas Superstars waiting for payment. I keep them in this bag in the poly mailers. I'll ship them in. If they don't fit in a poly mailer, I put them in boxes. I'll show you that situation another time. Okay. These, I took an offer last night because I had one sale yesterday and I was like freaking out. So I took a best offer of $25. These aren't special. They were my personal shoes. They work great if you break your ankle. That's why I had those. And didn't really like them other than when my ankle was healing. So that was eBay. That's it for eBay. That's all. I had something on Poshmark sell. I-30. That's how I number my things. I've got bags. This is I-30. That was quick, so that's all I have to ship. Honestly, I'm fine with that. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for any sales I'm getting right now, honestly. I'll take it. Okay, I'm going on a walk though because I only have these 2 packages. The shoes haven't paid and the buyer didn't pay for those yet. So I'm just taking these packages and dropping them off at our community college. Has a drop box that they'll fit in. I don't normally do that, but I need the exercise, I need the mental clearing of the headspace. And I thought it'd be a great day to go do that. So I'm just gonna take a little walk. So usually on Wednesdays around 1 o'clock, I try to do a live stream on my channel with Tommy Bernhard. We do night shows on his channel. And I was just committing to once a week on my channel. I don't really feel it right now. So I didn't schedule it. I just didn't want to do it, so I didn't. And he messaged me. It's like, so I guess no live show today? And I didn't tell him. I should have told him I wasn't feeling it. But we kind of do that to each other. That's why we make a good partnership. We just go with the flow, and the flow is usually pretty good most of the time. So anyway, I did want to say Tommy put out his first pre-recorded video, and he did a really great job editing that. So, especially for a first one. So, good job, Tommy. And I'm going to put, I guess, up in the corner a card so you guys can go support him in it, because YouTube's really weird right now. It's not really promoting videos. It's kind of suppressing them. And we should support people that are trying to put out content, and I think he's going to bring some good things. So, that'll be cool. I don't know, maybe I'll do some live stream this week when I'm feeling it. I don't know. I'm not really good at scheduling things. I like to just go with my mood and go with the flow. So that's just how my personality is, I guess. Anyway, now that I've changed the battery, took a break, talked to you, it's time to get back walking to the post drop box. And guess I'm gonna sweat a little today because it's freaking hot. Okay. Ooh, it's full. Wow, someone could steal those if they wanted to. I'm gonna trust it though. I don't know what else to do. I could walk over there. There's a mail drop place over there. It'll be fine. They pick up shortly. waited. I normally have my packages out way earlier. I slipped in today. Okay, this is how you know spring has started in Texas. This is the Texas bluebonnets. They've just started sprouting for the season, and I love them. These are teeny tinies. There will be fields full of these soon. I love it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna sit down. I just ate lunch. I'm going to make a list of what I want to accomplish every morning. Some friends and I were discussing last night what the smartest things to do first thing in the morning is, and I'm just gonna make a list. You totally got this, Tracy. You totally got this. Thanks, Georgina, for the sweet gift. I'm gonna start using it today. Alright, what I have so far is a page for eBay, start sales and promotions. I start those daily. End and sell similar 5 to 10 items. That keeps things fresh and new, which I haven't done that in a long time. I need to really get back on that. It's been probably a month since I've done that. And when I was doing that daily, that really helped. I don't know if it'll help right now because of the current situation in the world, but I need to do it anyway. Send offers to watchers is super important. I get a lot of sales that way. And then shipping and listing, of course. I will be adding to these lists as I need to. Just giving myself somewhere to start. So Poshmark, share my closet. I need to do that 3 times a day. That really does help. It boosts it so much. Send offers to likers. Super important. You can make a lot of sales that way. So always price a little higher than you intend to take. Follow others and share others' closets. That's actually important just to keep engagement going, and following will bring you followers. And within that, I didn't write it down. There's other things I do, like greet new poshers and things like that, and find out who's new to the platform and follow them, because maybe they're just buyers. You know, it's always nice to have just buyers following you. And then ship and list, of course, the obvious. Okay, Grailed. Bump your listings. That's something you have to do to keep things at the top of the list, or to keep eyes on it. It is important, and you get to do it, I think, 4 times in a month, like once a week. And you only get that 1 month to bump your items. So you're hoping to sell your items within that month. If you don't, I think the right thing to do is to probably take it down and relist it. I'm just guessing. I'm very new to Grailed. And then ship, if there's anything to ship. I've only sold like 3 things so far. And list. And when I say list on these other platforms, I mean cross list, because everything goes on eBay first for me usually. And then I'm going to edit a few listings every day just to maybe add, I don't know, different title words, or change the price, whatever. I'll just reevaluate a couple listings a day on Grailed. I want Grailed to work. It's just pretty slow right now. Mercari. Well, Mercari is good sometimes and dead other times. Right now it's dead. But I don't go into it early in the morning and start things. So I need to start doing things there in the morning, like promote 10 items. You get 10 items a day you can promote. You can promote to the people watching it, or you can just promote, meaning you're editing the price. But I'll promote to the ones that have watchers or likers or whatever they call it there. It's different on every platform. It's confusing. And then I'm going to edit listings that I feel need editing, and I'll ship and list. Listing also there means cross-listing. Depop, I'm not on it yet. It's blank. Start. I need to start that. That's all. Etsy. I hate you, Etsy. You may be going away. That's it. That's all I got so far. That's fine. It's a start. That's a lot to do, actually. Yep, it's a lot to do. And there's so much more to do than that. I've put away some inventory. I haven't really cleaned much. Doing that now. I haven't listed anything yet, and it's like, what time is it? Almost 8 o'clock at night. I do work at night, though. I haven't really gotten any work done. That's fine. Everybody's done in my office. I can have it back after I photograph. I can list. I can do what I need to do. It's okay. I did spend some time with my son. He's online schooling now. That's going good. I was happy to spend time with him. I do want to say I kind of enjoyed this. I don't know if you did. It's just my day. It was kind of relaxing to me, so I may try this again. I may not. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe this won't even end up uploaded. We don't know. But I do appreciate all of your kind comments, and I appreciate everybody that watches and everyone that hits the like button and everybody that supports me. I thank you for that, and let's just stick together during these times. We'll get through it. Don't you worry. Anyway, have a good day. Get some stuff done. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get more done. We'll see.